In the early 1960s, America was on the move. Highways crisscrossed the nation, cars rolled off assembly lines faster than ever before, and traffic accidents were climbing. But right here in Ohio, one company decided to do something about it.
It's hard to imagine now, but at the time, only about 9% of cars had seatbelts. As more cars hit the road, accidents started to increase, and we knew something had to be done.
From my perspective, in the 60s and 70s in Ohio, there was a resistance to seatbelt usage. There was a thought that if you were not wearing your seatbelt and you were ejected from the vehicle, that your survival rate was thought to be much higher. What we know is that is not true.
What you're about to see is a series of government crash tests performed in November 1983 by the United States Department of Transportation Crash Research Center in Ohio. The first crash is an unrestrained occupant, the way 85% of the people drive and ride in their cars in the United States today, before the advent of mandatory belt use laws.
It helped to shift the culture, creating a broader wave of safety innovations that followed, including airbags, crash testing, and driver education.
I've taken this way probably too many times to count. We definitely didn't see the accident coming.
In Ohio, the seatbelt law went into effect in 1986. Since the legislation was enacted, it becomes a habit. Every time you get in the car, you put the seatbelt on, and what we know is that seatbelts save lives, and not only does it potentially save your life, but it also saves the lives of other occupants that are in the car, and we think that's very, very important.
This is Raylan and Xavier. They were in the car with me when I got in a car accident. It was literally just a normal day. We were not expecting to get in a car accident. It was just routine. I remember the Jeep rolling and the kids, freaking out in the vehicle with me. And it just seemed like it was never ending, like we were rolling forever. Seatbelts, the day of the accident, gave us safety, security. As weird as it is to say comfort, because it's uncomfortable when you roll in a Jeep with a seatbelt on, we were all still alive and safe, no broken bones. So I would definitely say that seatbelts in that moment gave us safety.
What we know is that seatbelts save lives. Seatbelts keep families together. When a person is killed in a crash and they had a seatbelt available when they didn't use it, lives are affected.
I feel like I just can't stress enough how important seatbelt safety is. It takes 5 seconds to put a seatbelt on, and we're gonna have decades ahead of us of life.
We're proud of the protection we offer that now extends beyond the roads our customers travel, to the communities where we live and work, even to their financial futures. At Nationwide, we're going to keep making history in Ohio and everywhere else our customers call home.